Look at this YouTube channel called Casual Finance. 250,000 followers from just 95 videos, making engaging finance content in a doodle style that keeps people hooked from start to finish. One video got 1.9 million views posted just 3 months ago. Another hit 1.5 million views posted just 3 weeks ago. And the channel is fully monetized. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
Something doesn't add up. Bitcoin has existed for more than 15 years. Millions of people own it. Governments talk about it. Banks track it. Entire companies have built themselves around it. Some people even call it the future of money. So here's the strange part. If Bitcoin is really that revolutionary, why isn't everyone using it?
I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, head over to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Then paste the link of the exact channel you want to take inspiration from right inside it. Hit enter and ChatGPT will analyze that channel and provide you several highly engaging and conversion-proven topic ideas to choose from. Pick the one you like the most or simply ask for more ideas if none of them feel right. Now go to the description below and copy the storytelling prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, copy the idea you chose, and paste it inside the designated section in the prompt. Hit enter, and in just a couple of seconds, ChatGPT will provide you a full, ready-to-use script. When the script is done, copy the storyboard prompt and paste it in. Now copy your full script and paste it inside the designated script section at the very end of the prompt. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate visual prompts for every single scene of your video. Everything you need to bring this video to life is now ready. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Inside a new project, select the image option and make sure all your desired settings are chosen. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, a set of images will be ready. Select the one you like, click the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt, so it uses that image as a visual reference for the next scene. Copy image prompt 2 and paste it in. Repeat the exact same process until every single image is done. This reference image step is what keeps the visual style consistent across your entire video, so it feels like one cohesive piece of content from beginning to end. Now generate the voiceover. Copy your full script and open any text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs or Google AI Studio. Paste the script in and hit generate. Your professional voiceover is ready in seconds. Now import all your images and the voiceover into your favorite video editor. Add the voiceover to the timeline first, and then start placing your images one by one in sync with the audio so every visual perfectly matches what is being said. Hit export, and your finance video is completely ready to go viral on YouTube. Everything you need is in the description below. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.